What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an awesome exercise for building a lot of speed when you just want to build speed. Some exercises just need to be for speed, and this is one of them. So we're going to take the chromatic scale, and we're going to use it as an exercise and manipulate it in such a way that allows us to play it very, very fast. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to walk it like a set of stairs. We're going to call it walking the stairs, moving up, over, just like you would climb stairs. And if you're going the other way, then you're just walking back down the stairs. Now, the exercise is a very simple exercise. It simply begins chromatically. I'm going to begin on 15. I'm going to end it in 8. That's how you know if you got it right. Because what we're going to do is we're going to walk 2 strings. And then we're going to take those 2 strings and move over 1 fret and begin again. Then we're going to walk over 1 fret again and begin again. When you walk over again, you're building it, you're starting in 9, 10, 11, and 12, or in this case, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now you're going to walk over one more the last time, beginning in 11 and ending in 8. Now, let's go back the other way. Move it over 1 fret. Move it over 1 fret again. Move it over 1 fret again. Finally, when you move it over the last time, you should be starting in the 12th fret. And that is basically all it is. It's just walking chromatically over and down, over, down, over, down, or over, up, over, up, over, up. And that's all you're doing. But you're synchronizing the hands. You're working on the speed. It's an easy pattern to memorize, and that's the ticket. Once you can memorize it, you just play it fast. When things you're playing are moving a lot, and there's a lot of movement in a run, then you have to memorize it stronger to play without mistakes. So this, being so very easy to memorize, allows you to really just focus on the speed and not worrying about what the exercise is really doing. Where's it going? It's just a simple pattern. Once you memorize the pattern over however long it takes you, then you can play it faster and faster and faster. It's just a matter of memorizing the pattern. Guys, I hope this makes it short and sweet and easy. Nothing too difficult here, nothing too technical. Just put a little time to memorize it and you'll be flying down this exercise, and it will make everything else you do faster. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.